I have a problem where outside respondents to group emails show up as from the group and not from that person. It is not all the time or to the same group, but it's from the same persons. Outside respondents to group emails show up as from the group and not from that person. So let's talk a little bit about Google Groups and what Google Groups actually are. Now, Google Groups do two functions, but they're kind of discrete in how they operate, in that a Google Group acts as a distribution list, and a Google Group also acts as a mailing list, or it was called newsletter lists or news groups in the very, very old days of the early internet. And because Google Groups do these two functions, they've got some interesting little quirks in how they work. Now, in the Microsoft world, if you've ever worked in corporate and had like a corporate Microsoft Exchange server, Google Groups act just as distribution groups. So if someone sends an email to the group email, it automatically puts it in everybody's mailbox. And usually when you receive an email in your mailbox, it looks like it's coming from the person who sent it. But with Google Groups, they effectively act as a newsletter list. The people that are members of that group receive all of the emails, but they're also receiving the emails from the newsletter list. It's a little bit hard to demonstrate this one because it is quite technical, but what I can say is that it's kind of just the way that it works, unfortunately. If you set up a Google group and someone's emailing that group externally, you're going to receive the email from the group address. Now, we've got a Google group set up for us. It's called feedback@itgenius.com. And when someone emails that email address, I see emails from feedback@itgenius.com. That means that I can reply to that feedback at itGenius, and it's definitely going to go to all of the other people in the group. But if I'm in my Gmail and I just want to reply to the customer, well, I've got the option just to reply directly to the customer and not necessarily include the whole group. And I think that's why Google has created that. Otherwise, people just end up hitting reply all the time, and it creates spammy email threads where everyone's getting reply alls and they're just basically filling up everybody's mailbox. So I think that's why Google's made the decision to do that. The simplest way for you to manage this is to have a look at what email addresses come in and decide, do I want to reply all, which is going to go to the person who sent the email to the list if they're external, plus it's going to send it to the individuals who are in that distribution group, or Google just calls it a group, or do I want to reply just to the person who sent the email? And in that case, I can click reply rather than reply all. If you need more help with what we've covered in this video, itGenius provides support services to businesses all over the world with problems just like this. Click the link below to get started.